Okay, Campbell. What did I do to deserve this? Listen, isn't there? Listen, I have a back up fresh, but I'm tell him to wake up. You can't measure,
I was on top of my palm wine tree, busy tapping some fresh palm wine when I heard the gunshot. I'm telling you, that didn't sound like a hunter's gun, because I know one when I hear it. Next was another gunshot I heard.
Ajife.
That was when I knew that something has gone wrong somewhere. But before I could climb down the palm wine tree, I heard, yes, something like, I heard a sound like that of a car zooming off.
Hello.
It's just too. I sympathize with them, honestly. I feel for her. I feel for her.
Aqua. Are you okay? Are you?
I don't know anything about the death of those two.
You don't? Then who did? Who killed them?
That I will find out. Son, I don't know anything about the death of those two.
See, even person will tell me, rich people, rich and the powerful, can mumushly, foolishly, selfishly be in love, just like ordinary people, like us, just like ordinary hygienists. What do you I don't believe him. See as Oga Harry, those they die, they wake up. They die, they faint, they wake up, they well, wake up again, die, resurrect again, on top love matter. People pass away, the governor, Pekin, president, in fact, all the whole guests in this world, they die for. Now he go, they die for that village nobody. Where mosquito don't finish our body, now I can go, they die for them. I hear say Ogafa never even chop since last year. Not true? Hey, this thing called love. Na very one kind mumu thing, no. Na very mumu something.
Are you done? Hygienic in what Newi? You are a fool. So this is the reason why you called me here.
See, now this thing where they do now, they make me verse. Now ordinary something. You don't dey provoke, your temperature don't dey rise. Yeah? So you want tell me now say me and you now, where we know say we dey love each other. We don't fit just sit down, reason. Especially this love matter now. Yeah? We don't fit just talk day now, talk about them, reason. Yeah? I be no shock you. Yeah? For me, you shock me like electric shock.
Well, that is love for you. True love can melt a heart of the strongest and the powerful man. It makes them look like a baby. Oh love, where can I find it? Where can I find him? Where can I find that man that will love and cherish me unconditionally? A man who will bring out the best in me. Hi.
Can say give me? Cry no more. For Hyginus Motoronewi is here to love you unconditionally.
Yeah, well.
Mumushili, foolishly. In fact, take me and use me the way you like. If I lie, yeah, make I naked bath for bathroom. In fact, if I lie, make a tapila go village, go kill my grandpapa. Just say yes, I do. I accept you. I Junus. What on there we?
I've suffered. Hyginus. You feel die for my matter.
Huh?
Can you die for me?
You say? See, yeah? You idiot! What you wanna laugh? Don't use that kind of talk. Play with me again. Which one be die? Yeah? Okay. I know your plan. You won't make her die. Make Hyginus who will die. Make you go. Make another person come they take care of you. They enter, come out, enter. You walk. See, don't use that kind of play with me.
You are a fool. You're not ready. Get out.
Just you shake, you shake the thing. Yeah? Hyginus. Hyginus, what to let them away? See the ash. Na another man now day. Na another man now those days now they enjoy this thing free of charge. No go Chinese restaurant. You no buy barbecue. You no buy anything free of charge. But me, Hyginus, what to let them away? I dey pack up my salary. My salary. They donate. Even I never collect before. Eh? Hyginus! Rise up. Wake up! Idiot! Hyginus in Bonala. Eh? Hey, they shake up. They shake up. They shake up. Eh? Give me this thing, idiot! No. Hyginus. Eligogi. What do I know we? Hyginus. Just give me this thing. Yeah, I can't walk my salary. Hold on.
I apologize to you once again, son. I apologize for all the emotional pain I must have put you through all along. I know you can hear me. I want you to know that whatever it is that is going on now, your mother has no hand in it. Your happiness is my priority. It is high time you stood on your feet and pick your pieces. We already conquered. Yes, we have. This is a very wrong timing. You need to move on. You must. What lies ahead of us is bigger and more challenging a task. Reason you must move on. Never allow emotions to drain you, else we will lose it all. Always remember that I love you.
Can you measure and can you mirror? I'll be about one more. I'll be a one more. Can you measure and can you measure and you went in with one more. I'll be about one more. Can you measure and can you measure Meralo Obanya was in jail. Abokini can you marry the war? Abanya can you measure? God of the poor, yeah. Tell me you can see the pain we are going through, the tears in our eyes. When will it be over? Will it be over? Someday, is this our destiny? Come heal our destiny. Ofun wamu way. Ofun wanje mano. Obu gini kanyi mero wamu. Abonye kanyi megidere. Ofun wamu way. Ofun wamu mujaka. Abonye kanyi megidere. Abogene kanyi mere. Abogene kanyi merenu
Mama, I am scared. And I'm confused at the same time. I'm confused, Mama.
You're scared. You're confused. What is confusing you?
Everything. Everything, Mama. My sister is dead. I thought by now my Prince Charming will be crawling to me, wanting to have me, Mama. But from the way things are going, reverse is the case. The whole time I have visited there, Mama, for once he has never ever spoke to me. He has not even looked me in the face. The young man acts like I don't even exist.
Okay. Is that what is confusing you?
Mama, that is enough reason to get me concerned. Don't you think?
You don't have to be confused. In fact, this is the best time for you to be happy. Yes. You remember what the mother told us when she came for condolence visit?
I do.
That we are now the same family with them.
I remember, Mama.
And that we can call or visit them anytime we like.
I do.
That is the gateway for us. No. Listen. The kingdom of God, they say, suffered violence. And it is only the violent that take it by force. This is the time for us to take what rightfully belongs to us. By fire, by thunder, by force.
Mama, how do you intend to do that? How? I just told you that he doesn't even talk to me at all.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Trust me. I'm your mother. Am I not?
You are.
Mama. I'm still your mother. Mbo kwesile. Nemi ve kwesile kwesi. Nuzo kwesile kwesi. Odaliwe jenga. Mbano. Trust me on this. I will not allow anybody to put us to shame in this village. So you will do me a favor. You will go inside. Take a glass of water. Breathe in and out. Then you come out here. Kai tako isi. Kai peko. Oh?
Mama. Kai periya kita. Let's do it now. You don't understand. That man doesn't even look at me one bit. He doesn't even act like I am somewhere around the house.
Calm down. He doesn't have a choice. He will look at you. By today's bread, he will look at you. Onem, you need water in your system. What is very important in a time like this. Oh no. Now go inside. Ebezina. I hate to see these tears. Oh, Ebezina. Ebezina.
I don't see about that. Otumbaji Jimpa Sane Bully. I better call Willie Homea. The Homea call get what? Take. Take. Mix the substance in there with the fluid from your honey pot.
Honey pot?
Yes, your honey pot. Add a little of it in the food he eats. Make your wish exactly that which brought you here. then it is done. Huh? Slowly, you will see him crawling into your arms. Oh,
that's just it.
That's just it.
Hey, thank you.
Let's go, monkey.
It's okay. You must not do this over and over again. I hope you know that tears will not bring back your sister to life. It's okay, please. Listen, the Williams will take full responsibility of this. Yes. As it stands now, you are family to us. Yourself, your mother, and every other person that is related to your sister. So please, stop crying, okay?
I just miss my sister.
I understand. Come on, cheer up. Have this. Drink up. Drink up.
No.
Lunch will soon be served and you'll be joining us in the dining. So drink up.
I don't want to. Okay.
It's okay, please. It's okay. Stop crying, please.
I just miss her so much.
I understand.
I miss him. I miss her so much.
I understand. Sorry, please.
I miss her so much.
It's okay.
Yes. Diane. Yes, Diane, she's my friend. Sorry, is this by any chance the way to Diane's room? You are in the kitchen. Oh, right. The kitchen. Yes, of course. I mean, there is a gas here. It should be the kitchen. Would you mind telling Diane that I'm still around, in the building?
You wait for her in the sitting room.
That's no problem. I'll just wait for her in the sitting room, like you said. Wait, after you, ma. Oh, of course. You're right. Let's go.
Unafugo onye chi ya na-egbu ya ga ya nwụ. Unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme unafugo onye chi ya na-egbu ya agaghị anwụ unafugo ife chukwu kwuru nya ga-eme unafugo onye chi ya na-egbu ya agaghị anwụ unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa nya ga-eme unafugo n'ụwa na onye chi ya na-egbu ya agaghị anwụ ife chukwu kwuru ya ga-eme Destiny, destiny. Akalaka madu no one do ya no. Emeluma one woman no where I'm featured no.
So how did he go?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know.
You did not succeed, or you did not do exactly what Otakabel instructed?
I did, Mama. I did. Even though it wasn't easy for me. That stupid chef in that house would not let me be. Busy nosing around, looking for what she did not keep. But thank God I wasn't caught.
You were not caught. Which means you succeeded now.
Yes, I did, Mama.
So why is my Aqua's face like this?
Mama, everything about this thing is confusing me. I thought someone who ate love potion is supposed to react immediately. This man did not even move. He did not shake. He didn't even act like someone that has eaten something. I was there when he started eating the food till he took the last spoon. Yet he was normal. I thought he would start, crawling to where I am. Mama, why are you laughing now? This thing is not funny.
Hi! Mwamulamu. Akwamo. Oyo di osiso.
Mama, I said it's not funny. You are still laughing. Eh?
Hi! Listen, you must know that this is important to me. As much as it is to you. Eh? You heard what Otakabeli said. That this is a gradual process. Akwam, gradually he will crawl into your arms. Everything is still much in order. Listen. Even if he has audition for love potion, it's very simple. We'll go back to Otakabeli. Tell him to prepare hate potion for us. Mixed with Ola banana.
Hate potion mixed with Ola banana.
Yes.
Yeah. Mama Ibiakwa, which one is hate potion mixed with Ola banana? Eh?
Hate potion. Yes. He will hate every woman that comes around him, including his mother.
Huh? Mama?
Except you. Except you, Mom. Because you will be his Ola banana. You will be his sleepless night.
Mama.
He will never rest without making sure that you're okay wherever you are.
Hi.
Yes.
Mama.
And even if he eventually sleeps, he will be screaming in his dream. Akwam.
Oh.
Akwam.
Mama.
Akwamo.
Mama. Hi. Very funky. Now you are sounding like Otakabeli the second. You're a bad woman. You're a good woman. Hi. Mama.
It is very simple. Hey. Listen, God brought this to our doorstep. And we must not allow it slip off our fingers.
Bow.
But not possible.
It's not possible, Mama.
I was going governor.
Hi.
Mama, governor. I know there. Oh God, do that.
This village will vibrate.
Oh yeah, shake.
I cannot shake.
Yeah, Mama. Mad no bodo. Where's the for? Mama, governor.
You see, in my next life, you will be my mother. Even if God creates me and take me to another mother, Mboya,
you will not do that.
I will find you wherever you are.
Listen, don't forget. Kini, Mama? My hope is high.
You want to hello. Nkem bia bolumo. Avuma. Oh, that's even one of you stayed back for me. That's even one. What am I supposed to do? Not even one. Hi. Elisa Binigwe. Can't even mellow. Can't even GC where go there.
Pride will never pay you. To avoid her dying at last. Like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence, envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchu no dequire to avoid losing completely. God will not be man, no, either man be God. Pride will never pay you. Makechi kamja wakwagia to avoid regret. Adamwani chegaria. Pride goes before downfall. Ipasi ajaka Adia wachiko gesime iya.
how unfair life could be. A world where good people suffer the most. A world where good people die for doing nothing. Days gone, night came and passed, yet her memories still remain. Your sister left and took away my soul with her. And I find it difficult to pick up the pieces of my life. The memories of your sister is still evergreen to me. Not sure if it's a sign of weakness, not strength. But one thing I know for sure, it would be a crime for me to let her memories go like that. It would be a crime for me. So I ask, I feel you being in my life will keep so many memories of your late sister. I feel you being in my life will make me feel like I'm part of the family. Please, marry me. Marry me and make that feeling last forever.
You see? I'm sorry. What did you say? I didn't hear you clearly. What did you say?
Well, maybe I was too fast.
No. Sorry. I mean, I just feel it would be a backstab to my sister if I say yes. That's why I said
Okay, it's all right. I will just allow you to think.
No. I don't want to think about it. Yes, I'll marry you. What I said before was a mistake. I'll marry you. I'm sorry. I'm just confused. Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, I'll marry you. I coated my nails. It's not rough, so the ring will fit perfectly. It's my size. But no. This one.
I know it's this.
No. This. Put it here. Jesus. I love it. Oh my God.
This is easy.
I do.
Easy.
Jesus. God. Jesus. Oh. I feel good. Mama, Balloon Michael Jackson. Mama, Balloon Jackson. Mama, break it down. Break it down. Oh my God, what has happened? It has happened, no, Mama. Calm down. No more Fuma, no, Mama, no more Fuma. Is there nothing different in my body? I noticed something. When you were coming, the way you were bouncing. I was bouncing. All the increase. Mama, look at this. Engagement ring. His Excellency, the next governor of this reputable state, asked me to be his wife. Mama, I almost ran mad. I almost ran mad. They said they wanted to come and drop me back in Samba because I was acting like a mad woman. I needed to be alone to comport myself together. Mama, I hope I can. My dreams are coming true. I hope I can. My dreams are coming true. Mama, you will survive it though. Mama, Mama, calm down. You just told me something. Mama, engagement ring. I've been engaged. I knew it. I knew that someday you will make me proud. Lezianum, onye kambu. Akwe for destiny. Akalaka. Blessed I conceived you. Not the sweetest part of to go down. He said we should start preparing. Don't want waste of time. In here sharp. Now. Now the list. Yes, I the list. Mama, I the list. Also the day list 1 billion. Or the next governor, he'll foot it. Mama! They come. Mama! In a lay of drop what is Mama, but name the breakdown. The normal is Sammy. Break it down! Mama! Hey! Mama! By today's bread. Mama! I will not have my bath tonight. I won't take my bath tonight. Hey! Mama, as from today, yes, this is my movement. Yes. So when and if you Mama, my today's bread. Mommy. Hey. Mommy. Behold. Hey. The movement of the blessed people. Oh. I am poor. Mama.
Show it to me well. That is it. So you mean you don't have a black card? Or you live here? I said live!
Yes, sir.
My eyes shall never behold iniquity. Mommy Yabo, no one more. Yes. Mommy Yabo, what are you trying to do? Eh?
What do you see?
Hey! Mommy Yabo, no one more. Mommy Yabo.
Yes, what happened?
What are you doing here? Eh? Where is your IV? Because I'm very sure I did not sign anyone for you.
I baby know you stop me. What's everything rubbish now? Because of that small thing, God take blessing. I make you get mad to talk anyhow. Don't try me, oh.
Hey! Mami Yabo, who are you to talk? When I, Mwokwesele, Odaliwe Jenga in this community, I am talking. Eh? What rubbish? Why power? Why power?
Mama, stand up.
Over here.
Mama, stand up.
Come on, stand this.
Leave me. Stand go away.
Throw them out. Throw them out. Throw them out.
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. unafuka nuwe nonyechi ya nebu ya kaya munu ife chukukuru ya kembe Destiny, destiny. Akala kamadu no one do ya no.